So actually, this is the one time that you tell the world who you are and what you expect from them about Fireworks Talent Show. This is Babenda, this is Cameroon, and we are making it big. So tell us about yourself in 30 seconds.
Alright, my name is Sema. I'm a producer, a songwriter, and also a singer. I'm new to Fireworks, but I expect a lot from them because they also expect a lot from me. So it's a teamwork. I'm not just here to win because we are all winners. I'm here to see how our connection can grow better. Thank you.
Alright, so if your song is ready, you have 120 seconds. That's 2 minutes.
Alright.
That's all you get.
Me I don't run, me I don't hide. Hold the gun and nobody die. Play our own phone, you should ride. I catch fun when it's your time. Somebody's time with them my sweet. I like it when you know greed. Over me is your pussy. Something tight me, I see you squeeze. You push to the wall, I stand tall. Show me the goal where I should score. On the floor, me I lose my shot. On your body, me I kiss it frog. And nobody come set me free. Let them see me, I like it big. Give me high, let me fly. In your home, me I see no sky. Please don't stop when you're giving me. I like it when you show me the secret link. No mercy when you stand there shooting me that shot. I know where you see me, I cannot deny that. No mercy when you stand there shooting me that shot. I know where you see me, I cannot deny that. I cannot deny that. Please don't do, will you find your place? Call me my Leah. Don't leave my room if you never give my attire. Show them too why you put this air inside my tire. Let them see how you make your man come under the skate. Me I like the days on the bed. Me I cannot race. Take me in and kiss me straight. Eating that thing now on the brace. And nobody come set me free. Let them see me, I like it big. Take me high, let me fly. In your warm, me I see no sky. Please don't stop when you're giving me. I like it when you show me the secret link. No mercy when you stand there shooting me that shot. I know worry, you see me, I cannot deny that. Nah, no mercy when you stand there shooting me that shot. I know worry, you see me, I cannot deny that. Thank you.
Wow. So that was amazing for an original song.
Yeah.
And personally, I feel like you are ready for this. Like you take this personal, like you are putting in enough energy, enough time, enough work to see that you push your art, your craft to the levels that you want to see yourself. I can only say that we are here because you're there, and our goal is to see that that dream of yours be met